Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to get on here and share with you guys some really good news. I hit my 1,000 subscribers probably last week. I'm just so excited to see what the future holds, and I'm just so excited. Like, I can't even. I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure exactly how to do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and look into that, and I'm gonna post another video so I can, I guess, know how I'm supposed to do that or how to do it. If you guys know, let me know. I've never done a giveaway before, but since I did hit my 1K subscribers, I want to go ahead and thank you all by doing this a little giveaway. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to give away. Probably just a bunch of like makeup products or something that I just purchased and never used. But if you guys want to do that, comment down below, let me know. Keep a lookout for that giveaway video. I'm going to do a little bit more research because I'm not sure exactly how to do a giveaway. I'm not sure if you just, you know, put all the names in a hat and grab one. I don't know how it works. Anyways, this YouTube community has just made me so happy because I am a mom of 4 and I love playing with makeup, clothes, fashion, beauty, reviews. I love trying out different products and stuff like that. And I am home a lot, so I feel like, you know, I needed kind of like a getaway, and this is kind of like my getaway. And I just love it because the people that I've met so far have just been so inspiring to me, and I just want to give a shout out to you guys that have been there from the get-go. That's it, you guys. I just wanted to hop on here and thank every single one of you for being there for me and supporting me, and I just, you know, hope that it just keeps growing. And if you have any questions, comment down below, let me know. Stay tuned for that giveaway that I'm going to be having. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Mwah. Bye.